To configure WorldPay sign up, start by creating a WorldPay account if you do not already have one. Go to the WorldPay website and click on the Sign Up button. Then follow the prompts to enter your business and personal details. Once you have created your account, log in to the WorldPay dashboard and navigate to the Payment Settings section. Here you will need to set up your payment processing options, including the types of cards you accept and the currencies you want to process. Next, you will need to configure your payment gateway settings. This will involve entering your WorldPay account details, including your installation ID and MD5 secret. You can find these details in the WorldPay dashboard under the Payment Settings section. After configuring your payment gateway settings, you will need to set up your payment forms. WorldPay provides a range of payment form templates that you can customize to match your website's branding. You can also create your own custom payment forms using WorldPay's API. To add the payment form to your website, you will need to copy and paste the HTML code provided by WorldPay into your website's code. Make sure to test the payment form to ensure it is working correctly and that payments are being processed successfully. It is also important to ensure that your website is secure and compliant with the payment card Industry Data Security Standard. This will involve obtaining an SSL certificate and ensuring that your website's payment processing systems are secure and up to date. Finally, once you have configured WorldPay sign up and tested your payment form, you can start accepting payments from your customers. Make sure to regularly review your payment settings and update them as necessary to ensure that your payment processing systems are running smoothly and securely. By following these steps, you can easily configure WorldPay sign up and start accepting payments from your customers. Remember to always follow best practices for payment processing security and compliance to ensure that your customers' sensitive information is protected.